Okay, y'all. Let me pause the TV. I got some motherfucking DoorDash. Let's see. I got Freebirds. I got a bowl. I got some queso. Some chips. What the fuck? Yeah, my phone fell over. Give me 1 minute. And I am coming. And it's not even my phone. It's my tablet. Yeah, this is the top of my bowl. Let's open it up. See what it's looking like on the inside. And y'all finna see me pull these sleeves on because y'all know I eat. And when I eat, I don't need too much shit in the way. So yeah. They said for me some tortillas in here. Shit, we will see. At the moment, I don't give a damn. This should be the queso for the chips. I do give a damn about that. These are my tortillas. They hot too. Let me just get one. Oh, this is just one big ass tortilla. Let me just get half of it and close the rest up for later. Let's try this damn queso too. Y'all, this is Freebirds. The queso is still hot. My bowl's still hot. I just got it with DoorDash. Queso A1. Let's see, y'all. About that bowl though. Bowl. Good as hell too. Y'all know today Halloween. I started setting up the vanity room with all the stuff without y'all. I'm sorry. But it was so much stuff. I had to like get it out. Separate. Do all that. Yeah. This bowl hella good. And it's hella healthy. I'm watching scary movies. So
Is it all true about your paw?
I'm just gonna eat while y'all watch me watch a scary movie. I'm hungry as hell. I'm tired of talking. I feel like my mouth's not eating as much as I'm talking.
So we end up doing the same thing, you know? It's all the same. But you gotta save those kids. You gotta make them better. I gotta be. I didn't save anybody. I didn't. So I saved myself.
Good as hell.
Watch my friends die. I was just too scared. I'm saying it.
Nigga bit the fork.
Riggs, this is
Eating so
really
fast.
gonna hurt you.
Your business? It's only happen once in a lifetime. Let him go. Don't make me kill you, Dane. That's just you turn around and leave, Curtis. You have no issue with me. Yeah, well, I got an issue with you. I'm not getting shot at. You should have come. They brought me. Just stop me. Cut off his tongue. Do it and I'll kill both of you. Fine. Kill us. We have no plan to do that anyway. We only do what we plan to do. I'm serious. I don't know if you
Next man, water.
So are we. Yeah, you've been my friend a long time, but I can't let you do this. No, I wish there's more people. I don't want to be here. Come on, man. I know Riggs is a prick, but he don't deserve this. You're wrong. He does. Hey, do it! Should have left her half a chance.
That's that good as hell.
I've had enough.
Me too.
There you go.
We're all responsible.
This damn bowl.
Okay. You think you're wrong.
Hella fucking good.
I really do think you would have come to like me. I just wanted to be friends.
Must be on my target. Yeah. I'm not about to do no forks in there.
Drop the weapon!
There are more like us out there.
I said drop it. Just drop the weapon. It's not working. We can work it out.
You're too late.
Yeah.
Okay, 3, 2, 1.
And that's it.
Police have identified the killers as displaced students who were drugs.
Hella fucking good.
Certainly, it will be a long time in the healing process. For the families of the victims.
Yeah. That damn bowl. Hella good. Yeah, I need you to tell me what the story.
Lynn Hidalgo is the leader Harris County needs. Through hurricanes, freezes, and a pandemic, she puts us first.
I want to go upstairs and finish this other room and then see what's up. So make sure y'all subscribe, like, and comment.